Hey guys, I want to review these magnetic USB cables I just got from Amazon. They're the NetDot L configuration USB magnetic cables, and I didn't know these are good quality, so I decided to buy them. So you guys all like the packaging? Thought this was pretty cool. Little Ziploc bag, whatever. And I thought it was pretty cool. They include these little ties right here. Nice little touch, I guess. So these cables, first impression, they seem like they're pretty good. See like a generic USB USB-A cable side here. Then they have this nice braiding. I think pretty much most cables come with that stuff, so it's pretty standard. First impression, this is why I bought these cables. The magnetic feature. First impression is they're pretty strong. It seemed like pretty. There you go. It seemed like they're pretty strong. Take a look in there. These are the micro USB ones. Adapter here, you can see. So let me go ahead and plug it into my little tablet here. So we'll just pop that guy in. Let's see. Huh, pretty tight fit, which is pretty good. Huh. Let's see. It's pretty tight. So what I was curious about is if I was reading or something and I had this thing plugged in. See that? It just disconnected. Under normal use, would it disconnect if I tugged on it? And I think the answer is yes. So yeah, it will. So if you're on your bedside reading or something and you gotta pull this thing, it's gonna take out. This is more of ease of convenience. If you want to just charge it, it's just more convenient. It's not gonna be a solution if you read it at your bedside and you tug on it and you intend to keep it connected. I don't think it works that way. The magnet is not that strong. I don't think a lot of magnets should be strong enough for this. So that's the end of my review, guys. I think these are pretty good. The value, seems like it's pretty good value, and you could just buy these adapters separately. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.